friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Giblet, and don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle, and we're going to draw in a square for the nose. And then right in the center of that, we're just going to draw in a circle with a diagonal line right through the middle. Let's come across now for the eyes on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we'll step across on the right-hand side and we'll just replicate that. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the bottom. Let's step in towards the middle, drawing in a circle. Coming up on a diagonal, we're going to round this out, curving this in. We're just going to create a small little flower here. So we'll come up on the side, replicating that, rounding that petal out, tucking that back through. We're going to do the exact same thing underneath, tucking that in. And then again on the left-hand side, arching this around and pulling that back down. Let's come up for the eyebrows now. So on the top, we're just going to curve this down and in. We'll step out, curving this around, back down. Again, let's move out, arching this over, tucking that down. Let's round this out even further, making this larger, tucking that back in. One more time, let's move down, curving that out and pulling that through on the side. Let's round out the top. We're going to draw in a nice big curved line. Let's come down now for this eye patch here. We're going to curve this line up. We'll do the exact same thing as we move through underneath to create that strip. Let's draw on the tuft of hair up above. So we're going to arch this line out, pulling that in. Again, tucking this over, pulling that back through. One more time. We're going to curve this out, arching this around and down. And then we're going to curve this up, pulling that back down on the right. Let's curve this through to the top, arching that back in. And then from here, we're just going to arch this out to the side, pulling this back down on the right. Now let's come down in the middle. We're going to draw in a straight line. So we're going to tuck this down. We're going to pull this underneath. And then we're going to draw in another small straight line coming down. Now from here, from this point, we're going to curve this out on either side. And then from that edge, just curving that across. Let's round this out on the bottom with a nice big arch line to close off the mouth. Let's add in the teeth. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to bring this line down, across, and back up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's leave a small gap, replicating that again as we come over. Let's come down in the center. We're going to bring this line up, out, back down. And then again, one more time as we step out, finishing that off. Now in the middle for the tongue, we're going to curve this line out on either side. Let's finish off the cheek. From the eye, curving this all the way around, flattening that out in the center. And then we're going to pull this across on the right, tucking that around and back in. Let's add in some details here. So coming underneath the eye, we're going to curve this down. We're going to continue that through as we come underneath the mouth. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw in a straight line coming through. And then we'll do the exact same thing. We'll do that twice on our line on the bottom. Let's come up. We're going to do it twice in the middle here, and then we'll do it on the top as well. These don't have to be perfectly straight either. Let's add in some more details. We're going to draw in a small circle here. Let's come beside the eye. We're going to draw one right here as well. Let's draw in one on the cheek. We'll do the same on the opposite cheek. Let's come down. Let's draw in another one. Coming across, replicating that. Now let's draw on the ears. So coming up on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. From that corner, let's pull this around and in on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now let's come up. We're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the right as well. And then from that point, just tucking this down towards the cheek. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in 4 slightly curved lines as we come up. And then as we come down underneath, we're going to draw in more, leaving an even amount of space until we make our way down to the bottom. Now let's draw in the body. So let's come down from the middle, stepping over. We're going to curve this diagonal line across. Beside this, we're going to draw in a circle. Now from here on the top, let's draw this diagonal line coming up. We're going to draw on the collar. So we're going to bring this line out, tucking that back in. On the right, we'll line this up at the same height, dragging this out, bringing that through. Let's bring this line out, bring that back in. Now let's come over on the side, closing off the jacket, just curving this down. Now from the middle here, curving this over, we're going to end this so it's on a diagonal. Let's draw on a straight line coming down. We'll close off the jacket on the left-hand side as well, curving that up. And then now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the center, leaving a gap. And then now we're going to close that off with 2 diagonal lines. On the top here, just drawing in the letter V. And then we're going to draw in 2 circles coming down. Now in the center, curving that across. We're going to draw in 3 lines as we come over. Let's round out the torso on the bottom, tucking that up. From the center, let's step out. We're going to curve 2 lines that come down, one on either side. Now from here, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back in. And then now from there, we're just going to curve this up, closing off the side of the leg. Now up above, let's draw in a nice big circle. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in on either side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. Let's move up. We're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to curve 2 lines coming across. Let's move up. We're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on either side. We're going to draw 2 more diagonal lines coming into the center. And then we'll just join those together in the middle with a diagonal line on either side. Let's focus on our left arm first. So we're going to curve this line out. Bring this diagonal line up. We're going to tuck this in, back through to the chin. Now let's curve this down towards the torso. Moving up, we're going to curve this line across. Let's curve 2 lines coming across. Let's close off the wrist. We're going to arch this out on the top and bottom. Let's draw on the thumb. We're going to connect that from that line on the top with an oval. Now let's come up for our first finger, drawing in another oval. Right in the center, replicating that. One more time as we move down, tucking that in. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing, stepping over, closing that off with a curved line. Let's come up. We're going to arch this line in. Let's draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out, closing that off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's step up. We're going to curve this line out, moving up, arching that across. We're going to close this off on either side, and then continuing those lines in. Let's step up again. We're going to bring this line out, stepping down, replicating that. Do the exact same thing one more time, moving through. Let's draw in 2 lines coming down, and then we're going to draw on the top of the plug here. So we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming up, stepping out, replicating that, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, let's just flatten that out. Lastly, let's just draw on the right arm. So we're going to curve this line down. We're going to leave a gap here, and we're going to arch this line over. Now from here on the edge, we're rounding that out, tucking that in. Starting on the top, rounding that out, pulling that down. Doing the exact same thing, stepping over, curving that in. One more time, arching that down to the bottom. Now on the side, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back in. Let's move up. We're going to curve this line up. We'll draw in 3 diagonal lines as we come up. Let's draw in 2 diagonal lines on the top, pulling those lines into the center, and then joining them together again with a diagonal line right in the middle. Now for the thumb, curving this up. We're going to round this out on the side, tucking that in. Let's curve this line down, and then we'll arch this line across. Let's draw 2 diagonal lines on the thumb, and then 2 more as we come over. That is it. That's how you draw Giblet from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.